This website's navbar, hero section, project cards, and mobile responsive, I built it in under 5 minutes only. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how can you create your own website right now. Let's go.
The tool is called Cursor. It's a free code editor with AI built right in. Think of it like VS Code. You see this panel on the right? That's the AI chat. I press Ctrl, Shift, L, keys, and I can type anything in plain English. The AI reads my entire file and writes the code directly into it. No copying, no pasting, no switching tabs. I've already got a blank indexed HTML file open. Let's build. Prompt 1. Here's my first prompt. Watch what I type because this is the real skill, not the code, the prompt. I'm telling it to create a complete single-page portfolio website inside one HTML file. I specify every section I want, a sticky navbar with logo on the left and links on the right, a hero section with a big headline and a call to action button, an about section, a projects section with 3 cards, a contact section with an email link, and a footer. I also tell it the color scheme, dark navy and white L, and that all CSS should live inside a style tag in the same file. I'm not just saying "and build me a website," N1. I'm giving it a clear blueprint. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Always remember that. I hit enter and watch this. It writes the entire website, navbar, hero, cards, footer, all the CSS in seconds. I click apply, open it in the browser, and there it is. A real structured website. From a completely blank file, in about 90 seconds. It works, but it looks flat. The hero needs more visual impact, and the cards need personality. Here's what most beginners don't realize. AI is a conversation. You don't ask once and accept whatever comes back. You refine it L, just like you would with a real designer. So in my second prompt, I ask it to upgrade the design. I tell it to add a gradient background on the hero going from dark navy into deep purple. I want the hero headline bigger L, at least 3.5 rem and bold. I also ask for a smooth fade-in animation when the page loads, so the headline feels cinematic. For the project cards, I want a purple top border, rounded corners, and a lift-up hover effect with a drop shadow. And for the nav links, a smooth color change on hover. I hit apply, refresh the browser, and look at that difference. The gradient gives the hero real drama. The cards feel interactive. The hover effects feel professional. All of that with one prompt. Now the part that breaks almost every beginner website. Mobile responsiveness. Look at this in mobile view. The nav is overlapping. The cards are too wide. Text is getting cut off. This is normally where beginners spend hours fighting media queries and still can't get it right. In my third prompt, I tell it to make the site fully responsive for screens under 768 pixels. Stack the nav links vertically on mobile. Reduce the hero headline to 2 rem so it fits the screen. Switch the project cards to a single column layout. And fix all the padding and spacing for small screens using CSS media queries. I hit apply, switch to mobile view, and everything snaps into place. Cards in one column, headline scaled perfectly. Nav clean and stacked. Switch back to desktop. Still looks exactly the same as before. That is proper responsive design, done in one prompt. Footer enhancement. Now, this is where it gets really powerful. We can keep going. We can command the AI to add more elements to the footer section. Things like social media links, a quick about text, and site navigation links, turning a basic one-line footer into a full professional footer that you see on real websites. One more prompt, and the AI handles all of it. Prompt 4. Last step, making it personal. Right now it still says, your name here, and project title. Let's turn this into a real portfolio. In my final prompt, I replace all the placeholder content with real details. A name, a job title, a headline that actually sells. I build websites that people actually love. A personal about paragraph, 3 real project descriptions, and a contact email. Everything specific, everything real. I hit apply, and after applying the changes, navbar, gradient hero with a real headline, about section, 3 polished project cards, contact, footer, done. A complete personalized responsive portfolio website, built with 4 prompts.
If you want the next video where we add JavaScript interactions to this site using AI, hit subscribe. I'll see you there.